have arrived at Shirohige's Cream Puff Factory.
There's some birds having a morning snack up there or something.
We're being joined by some animal friends.
Sen is such an unsuspecting residential neighborhood. It's like there's no other business around.
Yeah, it's in a house basically.
Yeah, an old house.
Let's walk this way so you can see the front. They're not open yet. We're just waiting for them to open.
15 minutes.
They open at 10:30. So here's the front door. And inside they have a bunch of delicious baked goodness. And upstairs they have a place where you can sit down. It's called Totoro Bakery. So
Coffee, bakery,
yeah, we're gonna go in.
Probably.
We're gonna get some Totoro shoe cream, it's called, which in English sounds really funny because you think shoe as in your footwear, but shoe, S-H-U, cream, is just basically a pastry, right, with cream filling, and they have
shaped like Totoro.
Yeah, they have 4 different flavors. We're gonna see what they've got, and they also have like little cookies and other things in there too. So I'm really excited to go in there. I'm all decked out, ready to go.
Me too.
No, wrong fandom. Okay, we already got a lineup. That's why we got here first thing in the morning, because they do sell out. Okay, so I got custard cream.
With 2 cameras going.
And Jason got chocolate cream. And we also got matcha latte. And Jason got a cafe au lait.
You say these are normally in cups, not like real cups?
I'm not sure.
They got a heart in mine. It's hard to see.
It's right there.
There's a heart in there somewhere.
We're doing 2 videos at once right now. It is packed. Wow. while we were waiting outside, there was 8 other people that showed up. And then as soon as we came in, like, we were the first people in, hordes of people were in downstairs. Let's crack this puppy open.
So I got chocolate, and you got what? Just cream? Regular cream?
Custard cream.
Custard cream. It's not as hard as I thought it would be.
Look at this adorableness.
You want me to go first? Or?
So
Who's going
cute.
first? I feel like I don't want to eat his face.
I know. I feel sacrilegious.
So, oh, look. I'm going in. It's not as hard as I thought it'd be. It's like quite soft actually. I'm gonna need a fork.
Just left like fork holes in his face.
Poor Totoro. It's light. For some reason I thought it'd be thicker. But it is cream butter. But other videos we watched online, some people have like a hard time like cutting through it.
Maybe they're trying to do it one-handed or something. I could see how that would be very difficult.
I didn't even need a fork.
Okay, in I go. Gomennasai.
Let's see if I can miss. Oh.
Yeah, that just went right. Ooh. Oh, look at that.
Oh, I forgot to put sugar in. Right in half, eh?
Oh my god. Way better.
Is it warm?
Than I was expecting it.
Is yours warm? No.
No, this custard is like
I like the multi-cam.
delectable.
The multi-cam is good.
This is really good.
Good?
Want some?
What do you rate it?
What do I rate it? Karen's arbitrary rating?
So how much were they?
When you take out, it's cheaper.
420?
The $4.20 for this one, $4.60 for this one. But if you stay here, they're $4.75 each. And then I think these
Yeah,
were...
mandatory coffee. Or
Yeah, you have to
drink.
get at least a drink to stay here. So I thought you actually ordered these downstairs and then brought them up with you, or that they bring them up for you. But she's actually like, "Oh, are you staying here or
Yes.
taking out?"
So if
And
there's
they
a
said-
horde of people and you're in line and you want to eat up here, just come straight up
Yeah,
here.
come
Don't
right
go into the
upstairs.
bakery
Yeah.
or else you'll be like last in line.
Yeah, because we were the first people in here. We're the last people up here, which is fine. We still got it like a nice table and everything. But so my drink, I think it had some sort of design on it at some point, but it melted because these are just like takeout cups. Oh, it's really hot. I think these were $600 each.
Something.
Yeah.
Kind of expensive.
Yeah, but like Jay always says about Starbucks, it's experience coffee. Can I try some of your chocolate? It's too. Sorry, I wanted to try my
Try
drink,
yours.
but I'm gonna eat the leaf.
So which one I like better? I might like yours better. We'll see though. I haven't really beaten them.
Can I
I
slice?
suppose.
Your hat fell off.
What kind of bite are you doing? Like a Karen size bite or like?
What's a Karen size bite?
Leave me some, okay?
I'm trying not to.
That is a Karen size bite.
Okay, I'm trying not to take so much, but. Really good. Wow.
Which do you like better?
Mine, but
I like yours better too.
that's really good though.
It's like the taiyaki.
It's like,
Yours is like a taiyaki basically.
I'd say better. But like, I was expecting it to be I don't know, I was expecting it to look cute and not taste so great. This is really good.
Yeah, homemade.
Come to Japan. Come to Shirohige's. It's awesome. Something to keep in mind when you order here, it did take about 10 minutes for just the stuff to come out.
Okay. Success.
What do you rate?
I'll only rate ramen. It's good.
That is absolutely not true.
I know, but it's hard to give it a rating.
Really? Did I even answer your question?
What?
I can't remember. Did I
What
give a
one?
rating?
No, you didn't give a rating.
I'm going to say 9.25.
I prefer taiyaki. They're cheaper too. Street food.
Yeah, but taiyaki is not like that.
And you can get ready.
This would be a pretty good one.
So what? So other than this, they have raspberry cream cheese.
And chestnut cream. They're seasonal. They change them. I think they always have the custard cream and the chocolate. Sometimes they have matcha. Sometimes in the summertime they have peach, which looks really good.
Oh, we're going to another one next Tuesday, you said.
So right now we are in the original location, which is near Shimokitazawa. There's another secondary location in Kichijoji, and that is really close to
Museum.
Ghibli Museum.
Ghibli Museum.
So we're going there on Monday. So they have something special there as well. But stay tuned for that.
Okay.
So we're all finished. I still have a little bit of my drink left. What's your thoughts? Final thoughts?
It was good to come for sure once, but I don't know if I would repeat. Other than we're going to the other one. But let's say
Something different.
because we're going to be here for 2 months, I don't think I'd come again.
Yeah.
Would you?
I don't know, because you know what? They have you know how Christmas cake is a thing, and I don't like strawberries, so they actually have a cake that they make with a choux cream on top.
Right. Yeah,
I don't know, maybe we have to get our Christmas cake from here.
Mm.
But this one has the bakery on top. The one in Kichijoji is just like a walk-in. You can't sit down or it's just take out. I forgot to mention earlier that this place is fully licensed by Ghibli, so you can't just make a Totoro or something and sell it. You have to actually, have permission. And the reason they have permission is because the owner of this place, I believe, is Miyazaki's wife's brother?
Wife's brother's cousin's mother.
It's his brother-in-law, I believe. I think for a lot of people who come to Tokyo and can't get tickets to the Ghibli Museum, this is a good local place that you can go to. It still gives you a little Ghibli vibe, which is something nice. So anyway, that's all we have for this location. Thanks so much for watching.
See you next time.
Mataji Gai.